Hi, students of class 3. Today we will do mental arithmetic exercise 18 and 19. We will do it in the CW, and exercise 20 will be for the homework. So let's see what are the sums there to do in the exercise. Okay, let's start the class. Everyone get ready with the mental maths book and the pencil. Okay, the first sum is 2000 minus 110. So, simple subtraction. Number A, 2000 minus 110. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0, we can't subtract 1 from 0, so we will take 1 from 2. We will do the borrowing here. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 1 came down. So, 1890 is the answer. Next, 45 plus 46 minus 47. First we will add, then we will subtract. Number B, 45 plus 46 gives us 91. Minus 47 will give us 44. 44 is the answer. Next, number C. 20 tens plus 12 sets of 7. 20 tens means 200. 12 sets of 7 means 12 into 7, that is 84, and if we add this two, we get 284 is the answer. D. How many hundreds are there in 3410? I already told you that whenever this type of sum is there, we need to divide. So 3410 divided by 100. The answer is 34. Next, how many 5s are there in 50? Very easy one, but I am showing it to you. 50 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 0 is gone up. So the answer is 10. Next, 8000 plus 1600 plus 4 ones. Number F. 8000 plus 1600 means 1600 and 4 ones means 4. So now add 9604 is the answer. Next, G. 74 plus 76 plus dash equals to 300. For this sum, add this two number and then subtract that number from 300 and you will get the answer. Let's see how we are doing it. 74 plus 76, the answer is 150, and 300 minus 150 is 150. So, whenever we add 150 with 74 and 76, we get the answer 300. Okay? Next, number H. 100 minus dash equals to 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 means 15. 100 minus what gives us 15? Simply, we will subtract 100 minus 15. That means 85. If we subtract 85 from 100, we get 15. So 85 is the answer. One more than 1199. That means the successor we have to write. So the answer is, directly we will write 1200. The successor of 1199. Last sum of this exercise. 11 into 12 plus 8 into 4. 11 into 12 means 132 and 8 fours are 32. Now if we add, we get 164. That is the answer. I think all the sums are clear to you. Next, coming to the next exercise. Exercise 19. What are the sums? Let us see. Put less than or greater than 34 plus 32. Another side 15 into 4. That means 34 plus 32 means 66. 15 fours are 60. That means it will be greater than sign. Number B. Add the sum of 13 and 20 to 55. So we will add 13 plus 20, that is 33, and add that to 55, that means 88 is the answer. Next, number C. From 9 into 6, take away 13 into 4. 9 6 are 54. 13 4s are 52. If we subtract, we get 2 as the answer. Number D. Put less than or greater than 100 plus 44. 150 into 10. 100 plus 44 means 144. Another side 15 into 10 means 150. That means less than sign we will put. Next. E. 7 into 3 into 5. That means 3 5s are, first we will do as it is given the bracket. 3 5s are 15. 15 7s are 105. 105 is the answer. 85 into 1000. Simply directly we can write 85,000. Next. What must be added to 63 to make it 100? For this type of sum we have already done in the previous class. Subtraction will be done. That means 100 minus 63. Using the borrowing, do it. That means 37. If we add 37 with 63, we will definitely get 100. Next. How many 12s are there in 144? Same type of sum, division. 144 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. That means 12 12s are there in 144. Next. What is the difference between 57 and 17? Find the difference means subtraction. 57 minus 17 means 40 is the answer. Last sum of this page. 94 minus 14 into 5. Now 14 into 5 means 70. 94 minus 70 means 24. 24 is the answer. Now I think all the sums are clear to you. Now, today's CW we have done mental arithmetic exercise 18 and 19. And for the HW, your homework is from mental arithmetic exercise 20. This is the CW and HW work of today. I think it is clear to all. As you finish your CW and HW work, please send it to me at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. And if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work, send it to me for correction, and bye-bye.